Hey there, it's your Avon lady, Chris Arnold, and I have your product picks for campaign 8 of 2022. And this campaign, all my picks are fashion related. We have a new spring collection coming out, and so I got a little carried away with the new clothes, maybe. Nice, fun spring refresh to the wardrobe. But before we get into the clothes, I did also pick out one of our new jewelry items as well, because of course when we have a new fashion collection, we've got some new jewelry to go with it. And this is from our Everyday Orbits collection. It's the long necklace, and you can see it's even a little too long for my necklace form, and it comes with the drop earrings as well. I just really like this look. First off, the long necklaces, always great. You just throw them on over, you know, quick and easy. Don't exactly go with the style of my sweatshirt, but goes great with a lot of our other new pieces. And so, you know, quick, easy, throw it on your way out the door, pop in the earrings, you're good to go. Silver tone, so it goes with a lot of, you know, it's a great wardrobe staple, and just a really nice kind of fun look, but still has like a classic element to it. One piece in the clothes that I was very excited about, but I'm not actually going to be able to keep it, but I did want to show it to you because I do still love it, and I think this is going to be a great piece for a lot of people, even though it didn't work for me. And let's see, this is our textured peasant dress. It's got a cute V-neck. It's a knit fabric, so it's like light and flowy, and it moves with you. It's got like a nice length sleeve for spring, comes down to like the right here, comes down to about the elbow, and then you've got the fun little flounce. And it hits about the knees. It's, you know, it's about around knee length, depending on your height, and has pockets, which, fun fact, added benefit to having pockets, having your cell phone in your pocket helps keep the wind from blowing up your skirt on windy days. Just a fun fact that I learned. Yeah, very, very pretty piece. The only reason that it doesn't work for me is because it's got this lovely seam under the breast. And unfortunately, if you are a larger cup size, that seam is not going to hit where you want it to. It kind of rode up a little bit and was not hitting in a flattering location. So unfortunately, I have to let this dress go, but I know that, you know, quite a few of you are going to find this a really fun addition to your spring wardrobe. All of these pieces that I picked out for spring wardrobe, they're, you know, great for kind of dressing up a little bit, but they're also really great for just throwing on and running errands. They're just, you know, perfect for comfortable, active days, including the dress, especially, again, because it's got pockets. So then I did a little fashion show with my favorite photographer, my husband Eric, helped me out to do, I tried on each of the other pieces to show and did a little, you know, turnaround and that to show. So I'm going to insert those into the video now with a little bit of description. But I did want to give you just a quick close-up look at the pieces as well. So we do have another fun piece, another, like I said, lightweight, knit, lightweight but still substantial fabric, so not heavy but also not like paper thin, with the fun little cuff detail and the fun little ring detail at the top. And this is a handkerchief hem, so I think in my picture it maybe didn't show as well how it's kind of the curved hem with the points like the handkerchief hem. Then we have the I really love this top. Again, very, very lightweight, soft. I actually did not fold the cuffs up the right way. So I would actually fold up the cuffs the way that the model has in the brochure there. She's got them folded up and tabbed. I think that actually looks a little bit better than the way I'm wearing them in the picture that you'll see. But here's a close-up of that lace detail that I show in the little video. And then I like the pin tucks. They're spaced far enough that they just kind of help give a little bit of length to the look. And then, of course, everybody always loves when we have our 4-pack of tees. So we have our spring colors. I'm even trying, you know, some different colors than I've worn in the past. And I did kind of like the kind of light peachy orange and the nice buttery, soft buttery yellow. I usually don't do cool colors, but I actually did like both of these. I think actually, honestly, it's the difference between having purple hair and having brown hair is made the difference in how those look. Oops, that one's turned around backwards. Of course, a nice lavender is always a must-have for spring. And my favorite of the set is the navy and white print. So really, really always happy to have those. And last but not least, the fun Eyelet sneakers. So there's the close-up, the Eyelet there. So they've got the low back there. You just slip in and go. And they come with an extra set of laces. So you can switch out the white laces for blue laces if you like that look. And those come actually in different colors too. We have also in white and in lavender. I actually do not know. So they have the knotted laces, and then the other laces, the navy laces, are regular shoelaces. I don't know. I would assume the white ones come with white for both sets. So those. So now I will throw in the little fashion show that I did of the clothes, and then I will be back just after that. This top is the Cutout Handkerchief Hem top. It's got the cute ring detail on the right on top. Next up is this lightweight flowy top with the tab cuff sleeve and this pretty lace detail at the top and across the back yoke, and of course the Pintuck detail down the front. And always a favorite of customers and of mine are 4-pack tees in our lovely pop of spring colors. And the Eyelet Mule sneakers, perfect to slip on and run errands in. So that was my little fashion show. Hopefully that helps give you a better idea of how they fit, how they hang. I will say I really like on the t-shirts how they have kind of like that, just a little teensy bit of flood. They've got that kind of hourglass, but not like a really heavy hourglass. They've got a little bit of, they come in a little bit at the waist and back out at the hip. And it gives for a really nice, neat fit without being too loose and messy. That sometimes you can have with big loose t-shirts. So that was all I had for you in products. Did just kind of want to maybe either a reminder for those of you that already knew, or just some something I wanted to point out about are the thoughtsonbeauty.com website. A couple of new things that I have there that you may not have known were available for your shopping convenience. So of course I have the online brochure there. So on the avon.com website we have our digital catalog, which is kind of a different way of viewing the traditional brochure. If you really enjoy the experience of a classic brochure, I do have those on thoughtsonbeauty.com. You just click on online brochures and you'll see the actual, it's the same brochure that, it is the paper brochure, and you'll be able to flip through the pages in the brochure, and you'll always have access to the current brochure, so you'll be able to see those. I also have a coupon codes page there, and it's really more coupon codes and special offers. So I put up on there if I have any coupon codes that I have personally created. Avon has a system where representatives can create their own promo codes to share with customers, but those customers do have to be registered on our online store on avon.com. And with it, and be opted into emails so that we can connect those promo codes to the customer. So I do put up on my coupon code page on thoughtsonbeauty.com each campaign which coupon codes I have available, and then you can let me know which ones you would like. And if you're not already a registered customer, I just need to know what email address you'll be using when you shop so that I can link it to that email for you. And the last thing that I have on there that you might be interested in taking a look at is I do have a page with more information about being a representative. So if that's something that you've ever thought of, that's a place where you can go and get some of my personal insight into being a representative and how that works. And I will say, if you are ever interested in getting more information, feel free to reach out. I am not a high pressure person, sales or recruiting wise. My job is to just let you know, share the information with you and let you make a decision about what is best for you. So anytime you'd like to get some more information about that, feel free to reach out and I'd be happy to answer any questions that you have. That's all I have for you this campaign. I hope you are having a fabulous day, and I will see you again in a couple of weeks.